गाइस वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। दिस इज योर बॉय जीत, एक और नई वीडियो के साथ आप सभी का स्वागत है। तो आज हम देखने जा रहे हैं द मुकेश अंबानी बिजनेस एम्पायर गेम। मुझे बहुत दिन से देखना था क्योंकि अब हम सब ने देखा है टाटा, रिलायंस, सॉरी रिलायंस अभी देखेंगे हम। टाटा देखा है, बजाज देखा है और महिंद्रा देखा है। तो अभी हम रिलायंस देखेंगे। रिलायंस बेसिकली बहुत बड़ा है, मुझे पर्सनली बहुत पता है इसके बारे में, मुझे बहुत ज़रूरी थी। तो फटाफट ये वीडियो में घुसते हैं, उसके बाद में मैं आपको बात करूँगा।
Hello and welcome to TFC. I'm Naveen. This time, let's start our journey in the city of dreams, Mumbai, and reach the scenic Marine Drive. Few kilometers away, we will find the world's most expensive private residence, Antilia. This 27-story skyscraper is owned by Asia's richest person, Mukesh Ambani, the chairman of India's biggest company, Reliance Industries. The journey of Reliance to reach the top was started way back in the 1950s when Dhirubhai Ambani used to work in Yemen in a petrol pump. There he decided he wanted to do something of his own. He wanted to start his own business. So at the age of 26, he returned to India and began import and export business, working in a small office with just one table and a few chairs. Later in 1975, he launched clothing brand Vimal. The ad campaign Only Vimal became very successful across India. Dhirubhai Ambani went on to create a massive business empire which was later split between his two sons after his demise. Now, decades later, Reliance Industries has grown so big that it earns more revenue than major multinational companies like Sony, Pepsi, Facebook, and LG. Not only that, the group earns about 3 times more revenue than the GDP of Yemen, the country where Dhirubhai used to work in a petrol pump. So let's grab a quick bite and get ready to witness the massive business empire of Reliance Industries and Mukesh Ambani. Is the US. Here, the group owns Nasdaq-listed open telecommunication company Radisys, which has major customers like AT&T and Verizon. The group also jointly holds oil and gas shale assets in Texas. From Texas, let us take a ride. We are right now in the world's first very large ethane carrier, which is worth about $100 million. This carrier and 5 more are jointly owned by Reliance. Moving to London, let's visit the world's biggest toy shop, Hamleys. Hamleys is the world's oldest and largest toy store chain with 167 stores in 18 countries. This iconic toy brand was recently purchased by Reliance. From Toy Store in London, let's travel all the way to the Middle East and visit the enchanting Egypt. Reliance Industries owns a significant minority stake in EIH Limited, popularly known for its luxury hotels, Oberoi and Trident. Here in Egypt, EIH operates Oberoi Beach Resort and also owns luxury cruises on the Nile, while in nearby UAE, EIH also runs a beach resort in Al Zora and a 5-star hotel in Dubai. From Dubai, we will travel to Malaysia. Here, the group owns Malaysia's largest integrated polyester and textile company, Recron Malaysia, while Reliance also operates a chemical company in the state of Pahang. In nearby Indonesia, EIH operates 5-star hotels in the scenic Bali and the picturesque Lombok. Before reaching India, we will take a quick halt in the beautiful Mauritius and visit one of the highest rated hotel in the Indian Ocean, the Oberoi Mauritius. Finally, it's time to reach India. Reliance Industries is India's largest exporter, responsible for almost 5% of India's total revenue from customs and excise, and also operates the world's largest oil refinery. Moreover, the group also operates over 1200 petrol pumps and is one of the largest exploration companies in India. Reliance Reliance is also the world's largest producer of polyester fiber and the second largest producer of paraxylene, a base chemical for manufacturing PET plastic bottles and polyester fiber. Moving to retail, the group owns Reliance Retail, the largest retailer in India, which operates over 500 fruits and vegetable stores, over 1900 consumer electronic stores, over 40 jewelry stores, over 350 lifestyle retail stores, and also a footwear retail chain. The group also owns a gas pipeline company, a life sciences company, an IT park near Mumbai, and is also building model economic township in Haryana. Not only that, Reliance also owns Network 18, one of India's largest media and entertainment group. Network 18 jointly operates news channels, business channels, entertainment channels, and even Indian version of international channels like MTV India and History TV 18. Network 18 also owns stake in publishing magazines, popular portals like Money Control and First Post, ticket booking platform Book My Show, e-commerce platform Home Shop 18, education channel Topper TV, and jointly producing major Bollywood movies like Drishyam and Padmavat. Not only that, Reliance holds about 25% stake in Indian soap opera producing juggernaut Balaji Telefilms. The group even owns IPL team Mumbai Indians and a joint stake in Premier Football League Indian Super League. Moreover, in India, EIH Limited operates 10 Trident hotels and 13 Oberoi hotels. Finally, let's talk about telecom. One person who has played a major role in transforming India's telecom industry is Mukesh Ambani. During early 2000, the mobile call rates in India were much higher and most networks even used to charge for incoming calls. But with the launch of Reliance Infocom, Mukesh Ambani transformed India's telecom industry by offering free incoming calls, cheap call rates, and even low-cost handsets. In 2016, Mukesh Ambani again transformed the Indian telecom industry with the launch of Jio Infocom, offering unlimited calls and data packs at free or drop-down prices. Since the launch of Jio, data prices of all Indian telecom companies slumped. Because of this turnaround, India now has the highest data usage per smartphone in the world. But Jio is not just a telecom provider. They own a smartphone company, Life, a high-speed broadband service, Jio Fiber, a chat messenger like WhatsApp, music streaming service, Jio Saavn, with over 50 million music tracks, and online money transfer service, Jio Money, and has even launched a Netflix and Amazon Prime Video competitor, Jio Cinema. Moreover, the group has founded an international school in Mumbai and also operates a non-profit organization, Reliance Foundation, which runs 13 foundation schools. Moreover, the foundation has till date provided scholarships to over 11,000 students, sponsored 18,000 cornea surgeries for the visually impaired, and has also been involved in flood relief across India, including the recent Kerala floods. Looking back at this incredible conglomerate started by a small petrol pump attendant, all I can say, this is Reliance Industries and Mukesh Ambani's massive business empire.
मुझे बेसिकली ऑलमोस्ट मुझे पता था कि इंडिया में क्या क्या है। रिलायंस के पास होटल्स, ये सब मुझे सब पता था। रिलायंस का पेट्रोल पंप है, बेसिकली जियो, ये सब बेसिकली मुझे पता था कि मैं यूज़ भी बहुत सारी चीज़ करता हूँ। मुझे बाहर का उतना नहीं पता था, लेकिन बाहर भी जैसे टाटा का जितना बड़ा है उतना बड़ा नहीं है, लेकिन टाटा बहुत बड़ा है। बेसिकली टाटा बहुत बड़ा है, लेकिन उसका ऑलमोस्ट 65% वो डोनेट करते हैं। तो वो हिसाब से देखने जाओ तो टाटा बहुत बड़ा है, लेकिन वैसे रिलायंस भी बहुत बड़ा है, बहुत काम कर रहा है, बहुत सारे अच्छी चीज़ें। जियो नेट, हमारा नेट सर्विस और बेसिकली हर मोबाइल डेटा वो बहुत कम कर दिया है। बहुत अच्छी बात है मेरे को। तो मुझे बेसिकली बहुत अच्छा लगा कि मुझे जान के मिला कि इतना सारा मुझे बेसिकली नहीं पता था, बहुत सारी चीज़ें। एक छोटा सा आदमी आज कहाँ पे है, तो कुछ भी हो सकता है। तो यहाँ पे आप लोग को लाइक, सब्सक्राइब, शेयर करके जाना। आप लोग को अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज़ गाइस बताना, मैं ऐसे वीडियोज़ लाते रहूँगा।